I think it's a matter of grave concern that the level of bribery, of intimidation, of abuse of office, of corruption during this election has been exceedingly high. Indeed, it has been unprecedented. For the first time, we have seen distribution of iPads to entice leaders and influence them. We have seen distribution of cell phones for the same reasons. Distribution of money. So I do hope that the members will take this matter into account and realize that we don't need to support the corrupt, and to know that the money being used is actually your money. This is taxpayers' money. So please chew it, but make the right choices. I would like to appeal to our members to clean our party by rejecting corruption, rejecting bribery, rejecting intimidation. National Chairman, there are members here who have got messages on their phone intimidating them. If you don't vote for so and so, you will see. How can that be? But this is what is happening at this stage. So I do hope that something will be done. And Honorable Chairs, you have been promising that you are going to take action. I hope that you can actually take action so that this vice ends. On the level of the preparation of the election, it's also a matter of concern that in some instances, there have been deliberate delays so that voting takes place in the night. How can voting take place at 4 o'clock in the morning? And this has happened on more than one occasion. This is deliberate. I'm glad we are starting early today. I hope the counting will be done early, and that all the sets of elections will be done during the day.
I will mobilize for the party from north to east to west to central throughout the whole country. I am bringing value to the party. Your Excellency, when I am a SEC member, I will also request that you consider the local government, especially the LOC 5s, the local councils, the speakers, on their increment of their pay. Your Excellency, as somebody you have trusted with the legislature, I am also going to request you, as a chairperson of the party, that for us to be able to mobilize for the party, we need the local councils to be included. We need our structures at local level to be included in the councils, for them to be able to mobilize for the party, for them to be able to mount government projects. Your Excellency, as a chairperson of the party, we have had challenges with the people with the PWDs, with the elders, with the veterans. I will also request, as a SEC member, that we have allowances and some jobs for people with disabilities, people who are veterans, and people who are old. Your Excellency,